guys, ito guys, try natin mag-funny.
Sir, what's your command?
Try lang naman natin mag-funny. Ay pero, baka matalo, rank kasi ito eh. Funny lang naman, try lang din naman natin. So, ito tayo, dito tayo guys. Ayun o. Online natin. Kaya natin mag-funny. Hindi tayo. So, first time ko pala mag-funny ngayon. Ito yung mga skin niya. Warrior pa lang ako. Ano? Kaya natin yun. Ito yung mga kalaban natin. Mia, Alucard, Vexina, Xeno, Tigreal. Tapos kami. Fanny, Tigreal, Vexina, Xeno, Hanabi. So, ayan. Okay.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Hintay lang natin to. Dito natin.
Any place is within reach for me. My brother and I will shoulder the family glory.
Pero ano na, epic. Ano na ba ang sarap? Ayun na kung natatawag natin ito. Hintay nyo guys, tayo
I'll show you how to dance in midair.
kailangan natin mag-bop na tas dito na sila sa mag-bop na tayo syempre.
I'm planning on a surprise attack.
Nagkang cellphone. May account din naman ako na epic na ako dahil epic 5. So, mag-bop na tayo. Papalakas.
You tag-alongs can't even touch my
Hindi
shadow.
ko alam kung paano mag-funny, pero may napanood ako. Hindi ko lang medyo tinapos. Scroll dapat.
Some birds are never meant to be caged. First blood. An enemy has been slain.
So, dito sa account ko na to, meron akong bias. Isa ko account ko lang bias yun.
Step, circle, swing.
Ay, hindi ako dito. So, buff lang tayo ng buff. Dito pala, may buff pala dito. Yan.
Don't stress in a gown for the total combat.
Ay, lagi, napilit ko agad. Combo ba
An
ako
enemy
lang
has
ko
been
sa
slain.
pero,
An enemy has been slain.
3-1 lang naman. Kasi, 4 na ako.
Needlework? Not my thing.
Okay, teka lang. Push ko dito mamaya.
An ally has been slain.
Ano ito green ko rin, guys. Ano ba gumamit? Mamaro na.
Oh, darn it! I was
Yan, napatay pa ako.
slain.
My body feels heavy.
An ally has been slain.
Kaya ko na tayo. Iko. Warrior lang ito dapat. Basic lang sa atin ito. Warrior. Warrior.
An enemy has been
Kailangan
slain.
natin mag-buff. Buff lang tayo para ng buff. So, ito.
Killing spree.
Dito nito yung araw. Dito natin. Hindi pala ko yan.
I will
Step, circle, swing.
Ally has been slain.
Fully exposed. Enemy double kill. I'm planning on a surprise attack. Where are you looking? I am here.
Uy! Oh my god. Sige, pagbibigyan lang muna natin sila. Pagbibigyan ko na muna. Wala pa ako napapatay. Dalawang beses na ako napatay. Yung agaw natin is yung
Needlework?
Not my thing. An enemy has been slain.
diba yung pinakamalakas na build o yung simpleng build lang yun?
Don't dress in a gown for the close combat.
Ano ba gumagawa ito?
Darn it! I went a bit too
paano
far. An enemy has been slain.
Any place is within reach for me.
Mega kill.
Ako lang ata kabigat dito, guys. Di ako kasi ako sa mga magkanyo. Dapat ata di na nagpano.
You tag alongs can't even touch my shadow. Fully exposed. Unstoppable. I'll show you how to dance in midair.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Dito mo ako.
I will fight alongside you, brother.
Destroyed. Shut down. Ally has been slain.
Para medyo
Our
alam ko
turret is under attack.
My brother and I will shoulder the family glory.
Naku po, pinupush nila. Ano ba yan? Yung sa midline, no?
Our
Napupush nila.
turret has been destroyed.
Don't mind me, just a little birdie passing by.
An enemy has been slain.
Napupush yung camera ko. Push ko naman.
Ally has been slain.
Push ko to.
Needlework? Not my thing.
You destroyed a turret
Hindi ko
has been
kalaban.
slain.
Ba't tayo?
Ally has been slain.
Where are you looking? I am here.
Has been slain.
I will fight alongside you, brother.
Our turret is under attack.
Don't mind me, just a little birdie passing by.
Ayusin ko na guys. So yun guys.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. You have been slain. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Ayusin ko na guys. Ayusin ko na. Kailangan ko lang.
An enemy has been slain.
Ito na.
Step, circle, swing.
Ano ba tumatak
Any
pa ba?
place is within reach for me. Your team destroyed a turret.
Don't dress in a gown for the close combat.
Sayang, papatay ko na yung zilong na yun eh.
Ally has been slain.
Sige. Teka lang. Papatayin ko na.
I'll show you how to dance in midair.
Cage tayo.
Your
Oops.
team destroyed a turret.
Oops.
My brother and I will shoulder the family glory.
Tatlo na ipatay natin. Patay, tatlo. Ano? Takbo!
On a surprise attack.
Busit naman kasi hindi ako marunong mag-fan. Sige na, sige na.
Our turret is under attack.
Uy, dito naman yung sa base. Manda ka sa akin, sino na. Talagang tinatapat mo ako, ha? Bakit di lang ako marunong mag-fan,
Turret
eh?
is under attack.
Buti nga namatay ka.
Our turret is slain.
Ayan. Ako na bahala dito man. Handa ka sa akin, Vexen.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Wala na. Hindi kayo makakapag-push. Manda na kayo. Ipupush ko na to.
You tag along can't even
Magpapatugtog
touch
to.
my shadow.
Tapos pupush ko na to mo. Yes, na.
Don't dress in a gown for the close combat.
An enemy has been slain.
Tigray, last push na lang. Ay? Ano ba to?
I'll show you how to dance in midair.
Oh? So, saan mo na? Kailangan natin ng bago.
Ally has been slain.
Ano ba yan? Ano na pinagpipindot mo, men?
Needlework?
Uy!
Not like
Uy! Perfect na yan. Ano ba ginagawa mo? Nagkakasin. Papayado niya ako sa vlog ko po.
Some birds are never meant to be caged.
Kasira na.
Your team destroyed a turret. Oh, darn it! Fully exposed! Your turret is under attack. Slain. Fall. Executed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Uy, pinupush mo.
Our inhibitor turret is under
Sige
attack.
talaga, destroyed. Kung hindi ko man naging my turn, pupush ko na lang. Dapat talaga di na ako nagpaning. Nag-isipan ko din na. Oh,
Don't mind me, just a little birdie passing by.
wala lang.
Slain an enemy.
Okay, kasi parang dito ko.
You tag-alongs can't even touch my shadow.
You have slain an enemy.
Teka lang, huwag ka muna magpakiusap. Ang gigigil na ako. Ang gigigil na ako.
My brother and I will shoulder the family glory. Slain.
Ano to, Google? Parang sa pangalan na. Uy, di mo pa pinush. Google? Angas naman. Katatanga naman. Kung napanood mo man to, kung naging kakampi kita, di mo pang pinush. Hanabi! Kita mo na eh. Kita mo
Fight
na.
alongside you, brother. Where are you looking? I am fully exposed. Slain an enemy.
Loko-loko ka talaga. Ngayong nakakapatay na ako, manda na ako.
Any place is within reach for me.
Ito Zilong, teka lang, ikaw na bahala dyan, Tigril. Ikaw na bahala dyan, Tigril. Ikaw na bahala.
Our base is under attack.
Fully exposed.
Oops. Oh my God.
Our base is under attack.
Heavy.
Zilong, ang popo mo! Zilong! Alam mo, ang tatang...
Our base is under attack.
Ano nga lang yan, oh.
Our turret
Bobo
has
naman
been
yung Zilong.
destroyed.
An ally has been slain.
Ang tanga naman yung Zilong.
My enemy's rampage.
I will fight alongside you, brother.
Tignan, may buhay ng base namin, oh. Kaya pa nga yung ano ko, eh.
Fully exposed. Under attack.
Step, circle, swing.
Wala na. Silong na to. Ang pupa talaga ng silong. Warrior! Natalo pa! Hindi ko lang sino bobo sa amin dalawa. Chocolate. Ikaw, Zilong. Ang tanga mo talaga, Zilong. Zilong. Ang tanga mo, Zilong. Ano ba pang neto? Expert yun. Ang dami.